Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the latest iOS and the image you want. Once ready, open Settings and tap Wallpaper. You're starting with the lock screen because that acts as a screensaver on iPhone. Make sure Photos has the live photo or album you'll use. Tap Add New Wallpaper or Customize to begin. This first step creates the canvas. Don't pause. This gets you into the editor where you choose Photo Shuffle, Live Photo, or a static image for the effect you want. Once in the editor, pick Photo Shuffle for rotating images, or select a live photo for motion when you press the screen. You can pinch to reposition, or use perspective zoom and depth settings to keep foregrounds sharp. Add widgets and adjust font if you want more info on the lock screen. When satisfied, tap Set and decide lock screen only, home screen only, or both. This is how you tailor the visual behavior. It's why you choose Photo Shuffle versus a single static photo. Once set, lock your iPhone and wake it to confirm the screensaver-like effect runs as expected. If your model supports always on display, enable it in display and brightness to keep the image visible. Also check auto lock so the screen sleeps as you intend. If the image doesn't animate or shuffle, make sure the item is a live photo or Photo Shuffle is enabled, and verify focus or low power mode aren't blocking animations. Disabling those often fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.